Hello guys, welcome back to Esther Talk Show blog. My people, social media president don finally talk the person wey Tiffy wife Gold, because he say Melissa Gold don fit go kere say na he with Oyibo mafia na gather come thief e gold. My people, abeg make una share this video make e go reach Melissa hand. Mama Melissa, now they call her. She dey for I don't forget the name of the city. So, and the thing wey me know say she dey sell gold, but they say she get mafia boyfriend wey be Oyibo. My people, allegedly so abeg, people wey dey look for her na me carry this video make una share am, una lis ten to wetin social media president talk. Please, if you never like and follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to Esther Talk Show blog on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook for more video like this. Thank you.
Because we want APC to stay and stay forever in Edo State. If they do well, they will stay forever. If they not do well, and so we'll stay blow them. Edo State but you see what you write now, you're not correct. Efosa Usagi, Edo State now belong to primary school. Edo State now I be waiting you want right. Edo State now belong to primary school drop out to waiting you right and understand. Whether you want right say Edo State now this or Edo State not be this, I not understand you. But I'm telling you, Omila Jonosagi Foundation must stop. Let government take over. Who tell you say na Omila Foundation? Who tell you that one? Say na Omila Foundation. But Jonosagi have done something good for Edo people. Now you not see them with your eyes. If not be Jonosagi, all this help we not they help before. Now for no see her. Before, if no one help somebody, what you not they do? Edo people, you not talker. Now go use the money like this. You go when you see sa, you go ni arena, kime komo, kame, to kodo, ni ewu ni ekomi, ne bueno berege ba, ni Miami, me wegbe, ni Miami we me ni why you go ni if you don't pray with that money, now go to dash those orphanage, as if saying now cost money. Let me say on the door. But when Jonosagi come, it changed the system, it changed the motive. Yeah? So please, Jonosagi have tried for Edo people. And also me, I fight the justice. Human trafficking must stop. If anybody come out today, come the talk and say, now you fight human trafficking and lie. All of them lie. When Obaseki they talk on that day, now you fight human trafficking, I just they laugh. You only implement human trafficking to states. But no be you fight them. Me, I don't they fight them before you come to power. Me, I don't they fight them before you come to power. So it's not you. You just implement it to state that yes, there's going to be a law under section blah 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 blah. So according to Obama I talk where he said our father, he don't say and say yes, I don't they arrest some juju people. Then he can't still no say our bona or instigating ya na bia we yawe boa ne ya fe ade ni adotiebo. So I started it, I end it. Mogbina yo. So you forget, say you first talk and say native. You were very right. I first talk and say native. If I forget that Omila native. Sky Hanson. May I forget that Omila native because You dey support Sky, so I know you because you dey support this man now. What do they call him? Abatobaze. You will see the Germany. No be you first they support John Osagi. Sky. No be you first they support John Osagi. You know they are among of those people who donate for John Osagi that time. Because now Albert will be small picking where the total of water never finish for his head. Now you they use to compare John Osagi. John Osagi, I know say is not 100% perfect, but he tried. It's not 100%. I'm not 100% perfect, but I try. Everybody has his own way of wronging people. Now, yeah? So, please leave John Osagi alone. John Osagi have done great things. And if God gave me that power, John Osagi is going to go higher and higher and higher. In Jesus' mighty name, I pray. Forget about that one. So, if my blood for life, I know you now, but you're not supposed to talk that one, because Dion try, you know. Dion try, really try. For that step, we first do. So, was first present. Albert, tell me what Albert don't do. Tell me, just tell me. Not to castigate person, not to insult person, not to bring person down. He never fight for one justice. Tell me, you say now, so with Albert don't fight for this Facebook. He say, he want fight people where they South Africa say that they humiliate them. Go enter all those refugee. These are Duro people. He say he want give them visa. He want give them visa. He want give them. He want make it. Or he use and take collect all their money. Today, they can't get their visa by themselves. Not be around me go do anything. So now no say all those one now just mark them day and they are failure. They be failure. Any party where a Mason join, it must be fail. So Albert now just mouth to the humiliate person and that one I just get. Because if he don't talk like that, government no go give her food. Now waiting government bring 90 the feed. Now not that one. So for me, I did for my people. I did for Edo State. The fight where I fight. Now I make some people go tell Tony Kabaka. Me and Tony Kabaka see for Edo State. For my brother house. Bang, bang, bang. Me and Tony Kabaka see for my brother house. And it's my in-law. It's my in-law. Waiting this man they talk. He's saying the truth now. The man is saying the truth. He define about finish. They put red. The man is saying the truth. Not about the truth. So why are you going to make? Why are you going to put red? You're not supposed to put red. That is the definition of Albert. Whether Albert like him. See what Albert they talk yesterday now. The day before yesterday. I see the video. When they beg Adam Oshomole, say na election, you know me like that to Albert see they insult Erano Mason. Erano Mason see they insult Albert. Oh God. You know, say that one election fever. Now I give them. Election fever. You everybody say election fever. I know it's not there, but that one election fever. Both of them way did the same party. What I call the year? Boza. Say, I'm not fake party, say, Albert wants to talk one thing. He said, Alfred Munosa made it just lock out for prison. Make it just die there. Because of, say, he want to claim his position. will be the girl from Obaseki. Alfred Munosa comes to the enter the lane. Now make a verse, cause like that. Abba too greedy for money. Abba too greedy for money. Too greedy for money. Eh? That money where you greedy for. Now, me don't dey inside that money now. Abba. Now me be the deputy governor of Edo State. And they call myself the deputy governor of Edo State. If you see Deco, you see social media president. If you see social media president, you see Deco. Go ask. Go ask. You hear? Because now where person they work and there they eat. Me must work for this government. Whether this my camera, I know they do camera like that, but I must monitor all the job they are doing in Edo State. All the job to make sure that our papa would be happy for where he did. For that palace. Because these two people, they be children of the palace. And they are loyal to the palace. So they must do something. See, Brusali University, they know they are happy for them. They know they are happy. They say, yes, Obaseki, waiting, Ali suffer put. And Brusali suffer put. Now Obaseki, want just bring down. Obaseki, you wicked, oh. Eh? Obaseki, you wicked, oh. You wicked, oh. Where? Me. Congratulations to Ipa. See you on a no-gay marriage, oh. The Murphy, you. That is true. I'm there already. That is the reason why I come. I'm not supposed to come to Germany anymore. Whether the government will not they pay, then they pay. I'm not supposed to come to Germany. Now because of my son Enogi, that make me say I want to come the marriage. That party, me I did there. Now me with a MTN machine. Land the same day. You understand? So MTN machine there around now. He say, Eddie Murphy, you don't see who thief your good. Yes, I don't see him. Now Gloria, now thief my good. They Gezikeshin, Gloria, now thief my good. Even today, I don't call the white man. I record down. You know why I record down? Because he talk another thing where the woman lied to me. Then the white man still lied to me. Now I know say that then carry my goods. They go give me my gold back. Now Gloria, now I carry my goods. The white man are mafia. So he get one day, the man when say he born for, where both of them marry. He sent to the same two white men. I get the record. The man they talk at the recorder. He say he sent two white men, make they come beat him for house. This Gloria, they call her. He did for Gezikeshin. Now Gloria be her name. The mama die. They never do the burial. The mama die. She they sell gold. You know, say now person way they sell gold. Now know the worth of the gold. Now me can send those two men come carry my gold. Carry my wife gold. So now Gloria and I carry my gold. I go soon bring the picture come out. The mama die. Before the mama die, now what did the mama still do? The mama can't do one place. He can't decrease. I go call the mama name. I go bring all their family picture come out. But I don't relax. Maybe I don't record to her. Several times say, bring my gold. All her friends, they don't know say yes. They don't go call her. Even when they castle her, still call her. Many people don't call her. Excuse me, yeah, doc. He can't cry. for skin me. I say, skin me. Tell her, say, skin me. I'll go take my goat. He get one woman with this Cardonovia. They call her Faith. He want to party now. On Saturday night, she want to party. The woman say, she give her money, may take buy goat for her. And the woman be one season. But when the woman, Gloria, come here, say, they come bring the matter for me. Say now, he can't say he want to transfer the money to her. He want to transfer the money to her. I say, what about the goat? He say, no, if he buy the goat for her. I say, okay, transfer the money. So as he transfer the money, he call the pepper and for body say, So now I can send 2 people. The 2 people he still send go meet the husband. They be want go beat the husband. 2 white men. They be want go beating the husband. Person will say he marry. So now the husband can say, now the 2 people now still send for her that time when they come beat her for house. Now Gloria they do this kind of thing. Gloria don't first go prison for this country. 2 times, I be 3 times. Many women they agree with them because she they sell gold. Now me can come carry my wife gold because they see her for her body. See the gold for my wife body, so they pepper her. Gloria, and my wife friend. My wife beat her for. He beat her for Belgium. My wife beat her for Belgium. Now that versation, you say, he even talk her for my inside car, say, he go show my wife. I just say, the show where he talk, now just ordinary. But I don't know, say, he go send 2 men. The men, they walk, follow the boyfriend. The boyfriend at talker, he they tie hair for back. So men are not worried. As I dey talk her now, she go here. She will not say yes now. She I just dey talk. Her name na Gloria. They will say mama this. Now her name na Gloria. Now the husband come now when I record her now, I can no say yes. Her name na Gloria. Me no say I dey call her mama. You know here? So now don't know the person. Now Gloria come carry my wife gold for you. Because now they sell gold. Now if it stay gold. Now not that one. So now they sell gold for Germany here. It dey get catching. So me I tell her now me she bring my gold. Now Gloria can't thief my gold for my house. The mama died. She never buried. This boy first the friend down. Nosa first the friend down for Essen, yeah. Nosa first they sleep with her. Nosa for Essen. He first they sleep with her for Essen, yeah. Now Nosa girlfriend before. Now all this thing way now make Nosa driver. He go fight with Nosa. He break the television when Nosa get. He destroy her. I bet me I tell her make he bring my gold. Now all her friends, now go see here win for my hand. If you be her friend, now go here win for my hand. Now yeah, mama twins. I know say you be her friend. Mama twins. That day wait off now day inside my car. Where they talk say he go show my wife. She go show my wife. I don't know so that show. Now you want to show my wife. Like make her come take my gold. Mama twins. Now me they carry you go buy gold for Belgium, Abi. You know, but you be a friend now. Tell her say me them bring my gold for me. Me wait, keep quiet. I know. And they called the boyfriend today. He said, you want to go make Asage. Asage. Who they run for Asage? Who they run? When you tell me that they say you be mafia, you get people with the thief. Even your car. Now come show me from outside here. Say they be want by you. See the mark where they shoot you. Abi. Even I get many record from your girlfriend, from Gloria, where I go play. With the day where they tell me say yes, his boyfriend a mafia. He get me where they do anything for her. If they want by person, they pick by person. You call it denied. Today say, it's more than 3 years. More than 3 years. Where you have Gloria. Don't shut up your mouth. I say we. One way ya to here. I go there. My boy you could weather. My boy mommy go the muru. They am a do go there view. Ni wuye plane. Ya like plane. Now I go to bring me and mock my woo you way. But here I drive you over here. I make here. A glory am do go there. A glory have you good. Here can I do a do ya fe a glory am me boy wo. Before I came je do self. Mana what you power na what you where oku no kin good. Ni ma we mandima. Oku no kin good or do view. Ati ovi even na na what if na what ye. I what you no what ye. Ono what is zegede. Oh, na ka what is skimmy ya. Oh, what is skimmy ya na mo ye lie. Skimmy ya na we. You know ti mo so do wo no yati boyo. De ona we yati zegede. Zegede na we ha. You be goody. Or you were after some days. Megide Nigeria. Or we not ne because he go to or we not on where he be the one more your owner. He want more egbe. A boy why give you good dinari. A give you the nibawe luare rene. A not na we my shati. What do live I me? What do wanna allow woo? Lao. We me a giena. Ipa. We if you good. We are what be good dinari. Ipa. What am I cataman we sorry ne? And now we sorry. We sorry. Lao. Where we good in a palo. Well, very sorry now. Give me out. Not going phone. Maybe get a married and I get and I get a statement and I get wage. Yenahina. Neg me get out. Where we be good in area. Where we be good in area. Be good in area, may come away. When I got blocking, okay, maybe again. Well, where you can make good in any way, will you wow? Goody. Well, where you hear Goji. Nothing I. Master, we have you good year. Have you only message in again. I do want the man of your. No, but I am ended away. The Pataman was sorry. The Pataman was sorry. It's all up be you. It's all up back by way. Neck be message nine. Be a good day. And may you say we know that. In a carry last. When I mean, I call a boyfriend day. You will call a boyfriend day. In a way, come when I get on Vardy, not do very good, not do very good because of Taloma. What will come be a Belgium? Eh, what I mean, okay. What I'm now did not so know, but my 3 years will buy me busy. But my 3 years, my bell go walk, boy, wagmo. Liar, with my way, they did not so know a Belgium. Imemwe gbowa imaje Belgium de no sunu ki make ja wana de no sunu ma we 3 years why buy me gbese ona be nwa you can okay ona ta ma megwe boyfriend yin na na gi je ati etoka gi okwe no gi la Germany se me gi call boyfriend de boyfriend de we imaje toka o we Germany yeje. Because now they to what to o mana mu picture o se me na mu picture jo winya o winya gelejo o na mu picture na send egun we go on okuna iglora ga ata wore ore to ka egire Germany na we jem ite wa se ni efo ne lare ma be ma se ni we iju egwu mortuary. When I will go do hame or where I will bury her. Who can good? Oh, no, go when who can good. Oh, my day. Come a person like women, we are to be good because do not hear. That is the reason not to be good. Now, So vie good agboya wo vio yi. Nye wa mokuta gbo we mavio mata because wa do tanu wo vio yi a shame and disgrace. Or say na tama we do vio kwema. Wa do vio ku e jo pa mi si wo wa do vio kwema. Okona no re geskeshin. No re geskeshin. Do vio kwema. Get video. Why you won't yo e? Why you won't yo e? Edita ese, ma be yi ba le gbe. Eyi ba le gbe. Why you won't yo e? Ma osalopo ayi we nia. Emi ya fe awa oa. Iye e camera anata. Emi ya fe hin awa oa. Wa me disgrace no la we gbe. We ha yo wa. Wa se why? Atuku wo in Lagos wo in ya. Awa mama wo emi ma wi. So I win it on say. So you know be godi. E glory be godi ma. Okay godi we Germany ma. Be gescation je. Ogwe be ne bomu ne oji. So shawa de ba ave cosmic na take my match wo gbatie o ka lo wo ha me hon true wo ha me true enusa ona do dekun ebona ebo tokana so ona do ade good on wo ha me no ona do ade good so ebo na amugo ne do yaso ke good nye ige o kimenia ma we party fo o ma de party me o ma ibe ade good 15,000 euro we do dene nyina e okay ona wo ma yin awa baba edi ya babi ma de ebe eva na vie ba we mafia no we yin bio kan yana de yin eta me we bogiri Germany ke bo pa Germany re ne o ge gbera gbiju e no ge gbiju e no reading no ge gbiju e no wu ijo no ga me ijo se me na gbiju e ijo na me wu wọ́n máa mú ẹ wọ́n á gbọ́dọ̀ vive e go do na do vio eri a openu bi na wade na mu ari police station wọ́n máa vive wenu ẹ o máa vive wenu ẹ bi ni eta se na my picture wala dia wọ́n egi mu oma wọ́n no se ni my picture wala dia e onu to bo do vie go do we yo e go do no vio e no do wo ha me vio no do vio ye ma bi ni ma ala dia onu ana mi o una avio ye ke no ove o ave na avio wa ya se good na wa idi wa ya se iwe ya se good na we na to boku we na iwe ni emonu bie no bia ni nene de banu kabio wa de banu bia na bo ya asan ya se good na life and direct get video eya iwulo eya lebish eya lebish yo wow ona atama owa una atama ni no gba we we ni achebo no gboma ye be na yo we ni achebo na gboma ye na yo mo vie godia wa sunwu wa gbon we no ji we no ka je gane ye gano gbava yare ge na re wa chechi e we boyfriend we nene mi we wa chechi ge na yi nu we to gbo wa gbon again ore mu hai na de loni gui bien godire bele made le friki awate le friki o se weno le friki we gloria bien godire le friki we gloria bien godire le friki is a way go with Germany ma yes is a way go yes is a way go with Germany ma le friki we no se we bien godire le friki e ke ni ari oguwa yi agba why so when I wake up eri ogwa me mo se eri enemy do you we mass of me even it was because he winning e ma wo agbado agui now ya winning duwa ya winning do come waru ya winning ya buluwa loto igagile buluwa loto dan do ma regret gbe but iwe gboni iwe Mon ouais denko. Mais wicked c'est denko. Mais wicked c'est governor, wicked c'est deputy. Mon ouais governor, mon ouais deputy. Doa wu ya wu, ya gbek boa. Ma, imu on pa. Wa gbe ma na gbe on akwe. But we take gbe me bu wene. So ba we, e boss no gere ni maro wa. Don amu be. We ka mianya, be me do wa so na ya. We tia we ni ya we brade. We ni abio shete. E gloria. We le boy awu dan we to kanu ge ade umani. We begin ade na. Don amu be. Aso ma yara. Be me waro wa na me wa ho kokoko moto bon ya ke hu ni ya. De mamu ya mosi de mami ya ma lemudo gbelegbe ma wa Kristo de mama gbelegbe ma wa wuto bi ne ya grab ya fe lemudo la dia igbo no mi wo ri o di ari wa de kun ya mu fo agbe na mu ari wa na mu yo wa me but he me so gbeli wa ason yara gian re ba son ne wa na babima wa we ni no gba no ho wo ago bi to kan mu ya no wiye mo gwa no ma uze figo wa mu ogwa no ma ufinya go wa mu gwa no ma ufinya go gloria wa mu gwa no ogwa no ufinya go abi ma no fie go oju no agbo gloria tu gbe asun we wona ku gbe ko emi senu meni mi so me abi emi so me esi okay si so me emi sisi no meni yes obi ne ase tokpa ni netoni obi ne toni una bie biokpa we Nigeria noji una biokpa we wana ebonu bie yo ha viens you need to please return the gold from my wife please. Those men that is working for your Turkish boyfriend are responsible for this gold. They took away from my lovely wife because you threatened my wife that you are going to show her in my own personal car. I'm not threatening a video. Ma on peut message you no bon. Ma on peut message you. So vie go di meri ma. Vie go di meri. E Tony ka ke no kama we. Igie Tony gwe, ukpe no bien na. Igie Tony gwe, we no vie go di meri. Igie no sa, e no sa ka we, no sa no resen. Uka we, no sa ka we, no sa ka ma no vie go di meri. Ya juwa ya go. Ya juwa go. Kenyeru wa ke ya juwa go. Wakamano vie go di mare. Wakamano vie go do kamere. Ere men no Tony tai we ebe va we gebun adewa. Ere ka we na we me wo kamera na we ni ma mi Tony omo. Ma se ba Tony na we me ma be gani. O e wonu na gebe va na geton. Ona we ni ya gbe Tony. Nene bo ni o we gebun ma adewa ni adobi mago. E good. Musungu wagbon. Elle fait que Kamano vie go di Mario. I'm a Gloria, best friend when one of you go di Mario. Why ha badu ekini? Why ha ikweva de bakwa? Why ha badu e? Why ha ogbadwe? So wa vie go di mari. Ma wa vie go di re. Yen wa mukuta gbo ewe.
I am deeply aware of the struggles many of you face in these challenging times. Our administration knows that many of you struggle with rising costs and the search for meaningful employment. I want to assure you that your voices are heard. as your president, I assure you that we are committed to finding sustainable solutions to alleviate the suffering of our citizens. Once again, I plead for your patience as the reforms we are implementing show positive signs, and we are beginning to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Exactly 64 years ago, our founding fathers chose democracy as a form of government and launched the dream of a great country that will lead the rest of Africa out of poverty, ignorance, and underdevelopment. A beacon of hope for the rest of Africa and the world. Over 6 decades later, we can look back and Nigerians worldwide can see how well we have succeeded in realizing the lofty dream of our founding fathers. The world is witnessing and benefiting from the can-do spirit of Nigerian people, our massive intellectual capacity, and our enterprise and industry in all vocations, from art to science, technology to infrastructure. The dreams that our founding fathers envisaged are still work in progress. Every day, we put our hands on the plow, determined to do a better job of it. While it is tempting to focus on what has been left undone and where we have stumbled as a nation, we must never lose sight of how far we have come in forging and holding our country together. Since independence, our nation has survived many crises and upheavals that led to the dissolution and disintegration of many other nations worldwide. 6 years after independence, our country descended into a political crisis that led to a bitter and unavoidable civil war. Since returning from the brink of that darkest moment, we have learned to embrace our diversity and manage our differences better as we continue to work towards engendering a more perfect union. Despite the many challenges that buffeted our country, we remain a strong, united, and viable sovereign nation. Dear compatriots, our independence anniversary give us another chance to reflect on how far we have gone in our journey to nation building and to renew our commitment to building a better nation that will serve present and future generations of Nigerians. While we celebrate the progress we have made as people in the last 64 years, we must also recognize some of our missed opportunities and mistakes of the past if we are to become one of the greatest nations on earth, as God has destined us to be. Our mistake must not be followed into the future. My administration took over leadership of our country 16 months ago.
I will do down your call because Metoto Anas were with the F when you were. On your bow me, why dare because if we're or hang with my father, if we're no power, our wagwana with the four, those state is better, Nigeria is better. If we have more equal on we why where the end you because without four, don't make a genius what you go. Second another four, but the four 120,000 motor my even. If I bring Gloria picture out, Ya mo la dia ya ha mo la dia mo re bo la dia. Ave mani ka wo ya fa bi pitin ya la dia. E mani o e wo e bi ya la dia. E no si by wa mi. E no si ya ha tu. E pa wa gun e mi ro pa o. Ogun gbo a. E am gbo a. We sun wo a. E mi na ya gbegbu wa de o mana bo ni wa ka ma we. Bi ko de ege. Go pa la wian. Go making good. Ure geskesin. Ubio mesis. Etoni se o, etoni ubio menene etoni se wa. Una bi e boy vanote agboto ni gino wa. I have the record when it play my wa. Kuna ti bi e beva, ya take betoni gino wa, betoni tai. They no say no na mi wo de viebo. Ge bo he zuwa we na, o we 3 years o yi na no wa mi ikuse. Without a man, me wife, or my bagbena. We haita, we wear, Ubueboye to car, me record in the affair. A book with 3 years or year. Mabe, why Vawa Zoo, why we bozuo. A boa, where I owe our bone. Top you go to it, or ye boy, or ye be you and woo. There is a you a go. Is you where? There is a yago. Where could I win and be good there? Where could be good or hammer? Where, my auntie, a Dimofio now. A Dimofia Munyami told me to my berry. I don't reach it, don't reach no again. Which I mean, what ya me one. Ya me don't reach your one, ya moon no ya. What in video not get don't reach what get to Kabaka. Fiagi or one, Fiagi, Matthew do a came. Fiagi cut up my eye. Fiagi Matthew do a came. E don't reach army or one, arm no VJ. And move your tie. Any tie, they are away. They don't reach our go, win or woo. Don't look torry, win or look torry. The glory at ye, okay, goody. Why am I going on here good? I'm going on here goody. No G. A body motor on I am on our friend in one book when I tell a kepi. On our friend in one book when you and I been a fish. Then I assume I go in motor in Bomunewa. Also, now we good, a good old and you hear Mudo ya, had the hand of you. Oh, ma ki good way to do good of you. Awa. Oh, ma ki good way to do good of you. Why ya here? Record a boy when I want record here. Oh, Jimmy Joe, oh, go buy you. Your mamma get the yak bow, your mamma get the yak by Jimmy Row. In a way, maybe record here, where a boogie level now. If I know what we are baffled, why vow, our bone. Wow, where we boogie level now, a boy Jimmy. Why? Only to act with a codua. We are walking this one with a codua. Where we boogie level now, you go to the. I'm a detective. A detective, you know why? More callable, my brother. You know what? You get a win and 10 minutes. I make sure where, make sure when I turn not to 10 away. You don't have good or women a good way, you know. Women a good, you know, Rame. Election, all say good. And I met a Gilino. Oh, where my boo, you know, one, when I win, or walk a kazin bene. You know, go back, not a Gloria. Men I glory at an EJ or good. Your way. I bet you you are. Now you're very good. Away, no, I want my way problem. It always says me on of you any. Oh, yeah, I know time I walk it. Now we can have a joy affair now. A woman, Joey Pastor, Joey Pastor, you may believe a pastor said. Aware of boy now okay. I made them be a picture well at ya. a picture on Kawamiwa. Bene, a picture. Iye yano wala wi ma vie ya fe. Kogo woki matiti kwa ariye. Koge manage ge na no de ge na na tie ase tin ai ariye ya fe. I ne we pasha yo na we the picture we me buy e no give wo han na we the buy ama we su na bie ya ma wala kuma I wa won back or what the lad. Only the buy or go be any no. Nate mokuna no so nate mokuna na mwe okuna na we and I me okuni because of bog bell. I was one wishing true. Yeah, banner wa viola dia. Or go ma ve yiro but the picture anyone. Or go ma ve yiro winya hano. Or we don't wa get no can go di wo. Nyo get na okay na we. Yin makawa we suspect a police wada la woman na wati na we la de wo vie godima na wo do vie godina o be ro no wa nke ne godi o ha meji yi mek na gunwe de no mo ekpo ni la de o wo ga ku godi yo eru we yeke but yi maria o so to na gunwe gbe ma we bu we mafia no bie gire wo na bie re toka magi do tie be na be ware wo na ebe ware wona if I can arrest anything arrestable now I get arrest on my BJ ma we me I get arrest on ma I get arrest on he what me deputy or me governor ni wa arrest on the truth argue na ima the truth if you don't fight for the truth Salubwa do you when you know my expect. Una when that way or to a governor or to a deputy, we are arrested my bamonte bonwe. O Salubwa here way double here way. In we my expect. Sabala you go press over you dead down. Even when you press a bug bomb arokpa. Wona che bomb e bogbe e boke kanti but on that chebo me mana chebo ne ya mudi aho ikona mana chebo no we ti amudi aho ikona because o ma reason o gut chebo me reason paro reason paro no gut chebo me ya we o wa la dia live dey ma chebo ne o wa la dia gan boy ya hia we iwe egbira wa ibe ta ma gbon mo we emi ro pa o because you can't win. But no, I wear nenemi die bagwea wa at your bonnet, no damn and catch your bomb waiting near, no doubt a year deputy, yeah, police in Gualia here. Poor, you are warning, and the remain where I'm a bad person. Only at intimidation. Don't do that. Don't ever in your life. Never. Because Omani will be punishing. Akwe ocho do I a president. Mabege, do nobody know what will come up tomorrow. Ocho do I president. So I win forget on him. On my queue ni ozuo. Me gbe queue ni. E queue ni wa me. La wo. E gwa me oku na ge. E Gloria. We no bie good. E Tony kama obie nu. Obio menenwe ikpe ha de ba wopa obienwe we no vie godi me IK no ga we IK la wowo kama o ka we ne we no vie godi me we ne Gloria vie godo ha me we no vie godo ha me we no vie godi re Ima emu picture eladiana, you know say ima emu picture eladiana. You know to boy, dewi ne dewa muno wapi gogo ututo. Don't want no ipi gogo no waki. Owa do vio ibunu. We na ebio ikini na do vio. Owa vio ikun wa kun no. A hia bia ko wa do bai. Ezo na wa yin. Ami go di ne o awa ede adota we ami o ne o. De ma imi problem. A imi mi picture. De The bogi gbin ropa. I even put to a good video because I got do. But when you wena where every day he can use you yoy. Our payun, if when ya wulo wow. If West no bieni, ya wulo yo wow. Can you be a Tony Kea? Ya wulo yo wow. Abye go dire. Ya wulo yo wow. Upomo kwato ni hin. E money on viere tebe ya uka o tebe ya yo. Abye go dimere. Abye go dire where police investigate. Ave muna e police obo. You investigate, yes, they are doing their investigation. But me one who view it. Why ha Mazumani? Do wo view we my son or yatim. Ni me ya tiskimi ya they go get tiskimi ra. They viene. Go tiskimi ya. Ni me ya tiskimi ya mu we ya muskimi ya yela. Do avie ma yela. O ma se no avie good. Nous avons okpena yele ya tam okpena zegede o ma se no ya vie gedu mere abie godi mere ya vie godo mere is enough ma mo picture we la dian ya mo la dian gbe me no ami wala wo sugbe no ka we ba na bu wai no sungu awe ka di ba na bu we me ka we yes amari ba bu wa we when we ma do we di ma we wo wa dey e go there ka do view o sizige faith e faith o mo ezogun o sizige oni won dey go digi o mari bi oge una sizige o ko na no re iye don vs oni ka we o bebogwe wa se to ko ni e waya osi we lo to si we le ya e waya ri ori bebogwe ona si wa ri awebo ngani ye go dige adesagmo wona ya se na adesagmo o atuwe ya go se na adesagmo imatia we e pa me ke godi ona we godo kan wa do bio nwa adesagmo atogbo nwe waya atogbo nwe fete atogbo nwe Jennifer nwe ya atogbo we nwe wo ya ni Jemmy atogbo we nwe wo ya ni wo atogbo we e Gloria bí ego di mere aviore ya lo egbe meno eguana be ni ya lo we wa go dukun ugo to we ti vie we bona wana meti iga lo we wa go dukun ugo to we ti vie okon wa ku ni IG ni your police do good udo tuto yo why bi o si ade yo wo women what to do agbo women awowa ugo ago free we no ya go free we ko vie go di me ya we ko wa bi e be you bokan e jo pa we line wo abe picture o ka mu ya picture gwe we ko wa bi ya we wa yin dukun ke bine demuna una mi gogo pien we bite constitutor of or wa ke no we ko wa yin we ko wa bios ke monuro kenene le da boss here do ma egbe yen wo agbe ne we gbe ma mi ya wa si ya yi wa ko we gbe luto ya la moto we de to e boy mu were o e bo no gbe to yeke o we to ka no sun wu no lo kan de ri no yu won bie ko yin go jinu ya mu go jinu ki wa no ki estate no vio wano wa o wano wulo na dele no sun wagbon eri etase o sunu nai Osumu. Yo. Wano ìyàwó no. Ìyàwó wa wona. Okay, ìyàwó no di kai. En wa palowe. Iji en wa palowe o. Ìyàwó bi en na we gbona Ana mi wu yan ibi gbi ona. Hello. A new tea. It may be doing what send the one. What's no that one? Again. What's no that again? No send the platform one. No what palo we video. Jimmy. Oh. De que não nasce no i.
Oh, we were standing in the yard, the boy was passing there.
Oh!
They got more.
In you, may so rest in perfect peace.
Oh, amen.
Oma, ya chiwe wako ema.
Okay.
What baluero e? Oh God, you know sunu ma. Nini ko we afeko, wa we afeko mai go nu gwagwa lo. Wa sedo wa use small skirt. 15,000, 20,000, 30,000, 100,000, 150,000. Agwaligo re, wa be agbunwa ni. Agwaligere ge ha uwa ene balo we agboa me ugbore wa maya mugbo I mean ori mugbo gbera we wa ya fide wa we ya fide mo wa mena wo bi mo pane wa mena wo bi vane wa mena wo bi mo pane wa mena wo bi vane odo so wa ayi mi na yimo dodo ate kokuwa wazao wagbina gbo ariwe yatete wanu mae wa mi ya wa moto no kware wa salao wa wekia meke na di honu eni akpaluwa he wanu wa bunyani wala mote no ko ni no chi ni mweri ote ma wo ma no hu awa fe ko ni ko ma teme ai fe ko osie yen we ni je maka kan waru popa aba wo me wa ko we wona ko ade webu awete na we lava ni ma o me ko we awo to make sure when I do my age do ama wa ya fe atianwe wa pakomiza. That is what I want. Then ya wuna say atianwe yamana we wuna say mawuwa maweze nyaya. That is my platform. A platform where you may ever tolerate any nonsense. Good. Nedoa my waji. Edona wama. Congratulations to all the Edos all over the world. Ewano. Congratulations to me. Congratulations to the Edo all over the world. Edomana ma usema yeje. Wegenya eri mano nya Nigeria la diamwania. O mateme fuwe na. No wo okay. October 1st ayena.